Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to share how can we connect WhatsApp with Meta app, and we can integrate with Webhook on our website. So let's see. First we need to go in this URL developer.facebook.com/apps. In this path you can create your own app. I have already created my app, so let's check. In this app dashboard section, you will able to see your available products which are available to connect. If you are first time visiting, then you will able to see here the WhatsApp and Messenger option. I have already connected Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp, so it is on my products area for me. So let's see how can we configure WhatsApp option, and make sure your mode is live, and you will able to see now WhatsApp business platform cloud API key. You can start clicking by button, or you can access directly from the left menu WhatsApp app section. Under this menu you will able to see quick start API setup and configuration. From this section you can generate your access token for the WhatsApp. Let's see. Then you need to connect with your app Facebook page, and let's copy this and use this for your website or web application. Let's check another thing, it is working or not. This is from test number. You can add your own number or customize it. Also you can use the number ID from here, and this is for testing. You can add a test number and can manage list from here. I have already added a test number, and now I am testing the message is sending or not. If you get the successful message, that means your setup done successfully and it is working. I already got a SMS notification on my phone, that means it is working. Now we need Webhook for receiving messages actually. So let's configure this. See, here you will able to see the callback URL. You can add here your website callback URL, and this is the verify token. You can add your token here, then save, verify and save. Then I hope it will work successfully for your website. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.